Failing is easy. Being successful and a continued success is hard. And I think people are more afraid of success than they are of failure. They just don't realize that that's actually what's happening.
All right, so what is worse, the fear of success or the fear of failure? Maybe 2 or 3 minutes.
I think people think that they are afraid of failure, but I think in reality, they're actually afraid of the success because success holds people accountable. When you're successful, you have to continue to be successful. You have to continue to be accountable to what you're trying to accomplish in your goals. So if you think about that, like if you think about if you have a team, if you are successful, it means that you need to continue to be successful because you need to put food in their mouths. You can't afford to fail. Failing is easy. Being successful and a continued success is hard. And I think people are more afraid of success than they are of failure. They just don't realize that that's actually what's happening.
That is an unbelievable way to look at it, and it explains a lot. It explains why I think majority of people have that they never really overcome the obstacle to grow because they're their own enemy.
Yeah, self-sabotage is real for sure. But I think if at the core of what is actually happening is you now need to be accountable. Once you're successful, you're accountable. And you're not accountable just to yourself and your belief system or your goals. You're accountable to everybody else because Rome was not built in a day and nobody built Rome alone.
Hmm.
And so now all of a sudden you're accountable to a number of other people, and that's scary.
Hmm.